Today we received 400 kilo Haribanga mangoes, 50 kg Hilsa fish and 50 kg Rashogolla for the Honorable CM of the state from our Honorable Prime Minister, Janati Sheikh Hasina. We will contact the CM office and immediately we will hand over to the CM immediately. By using this gift, we remember the deep relationship between Bangladesh and Bharat. And I would like to recall the sole relationship between Tripura and Bangladesh.